Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your Telegram group and prevent members from adding new people without your approval, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the latest steps to stop group members from adding others on Telegram using the PC app following the newest update. Start by opening the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, head over to the group where you're an admin. You'll find all your groups listed on the left side. Just click on the one you want to manage. Now, look towards the top right corner of your group chat window. You'll see 3 small dots. This is your menu for extra options. Click on these 3 dots, and from the drop-down menu, select Manage Group. This will open up a panel where you can control various settings for your group. Next, find and click on the Permissions section. This is where you decide what regular group members can and cannot do. In the permissions list, look for the option that says Add Members. By default, this might be enabled, allowing anyone in the group to bring in new people. To prevent this, simply disable the Add Members option. Depending on the update, you might need to toggle a switch or uncheck a box. Once you've made this change, don't forget the most important step. Click Save. This ensures your new settings are applied immediately, and that's it. With these steps, only group admins will be able to add new members, giving you full control over who joins your community. This is a great way to keep your group organized and protect it from spam or unwanted additions. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on managing your Telegram groups. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your improved group management experience.